Alright, I'm here in OpenHaldex and I'm going to show you how to control your all-wheel drive behavior using any signal on the vehicle. For this, I'm going to use the ESP off button, but you can assign this to the speed, the gear, the windshield wipers. It doesn't matter. Alright, so at the bottom you can see it says all-wheel drive controller, stock pass-through. I'm in stock mode. The OpenHaldex is doing nothing right now. And I want to go over to the behavior editor. And over here is where we are going to do this. I'm going to add a profile. You see it added this profile 1. You can have up to 8 profiles. Each profile can have up to 3 rules. And using the up and down buttons here in the top of the card, you can set the priority of which one's more important. Alright, so for this profile, I want it to switch from stock mode to a named map, and I want it to use the aggressive map. Alright, I want this profile enabled, and I want this profile to ignore all others. And for this one, I'm only going to have one rule, and that is when I click my ESP off, it goes into the aggressive map. Alright, so down here you see it says decoded CAN signal. I'm going to select a signal. That brings up this list here. I'm just going to see if I can find the ESP button. You see some of these are blank, some are 0, some are 1. I'm going to see if I can control some of these with the ESP button. And as I'm clicking it, I'm seeing that ESP ASR passive switching from 0 to 1, and it is turning to 1 when the ESP is off and 0 when the ESP is on. So that's the one I'm going to use. So I'm going to select that. I'm going to come down here, and when this value equals 1, just remember it switched to 1 when I turn the ESP off. So when that value equals 1, then enable the aggressive map. And that's all there is to it. I'm going to save this behavior. Come back over to the home screen. And you can see I'm still in stock mode there down at the bottom. And let's see what happens when I click the ESP button. There you go. There you go. That's it. Like I said, you could assign this to your windshield wiper.